Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. So see you right now. One of best river around the world, the beautiful view here. The green mountain here and all that. But we call that is here pucok krung. But not so many people came here every single day because the location, the road is not good for passing over car or motorbike. But the road is very totally broke. But if you will visit to Aceh or with Aceh or lhoknga here, you will find the best beautiful view or panorama here. You could swimming here, take picture here, everything here, because we call that pucok krung hill. Not so many people came here every single day, but I myself, as tourist guy, I would like to promote or share five content from United States or United Kingdom or Australia or Africa or Middle East, what, but I just to invite a lot of tourists or foreigner came to visit to Aceh. 2019 visit to Aceh is very totally awesome. So one more time, if you will to visit to Aceh, don't forget to stop by in pucok krung. You go swimming here, take picture here, very totally awesome. So that's one more time, don't forget to visit to Aceh, because as the company you as tourist guide came here to accompany you and to bringing you everyone you want. Example is Sabang Island, or we call that Sabang Island or Semino Island, or many places, beautiful places in Aceh. Exactly, this is agriculture, hiking, climbing mountain, hiking the mountain everywhere. So just one more time, don't forget to visit or come to Aceh, because Aceh very totally something, but the other kind nothing. The point is you have to visit Aceh. Alright, the travel you have to visit in your life, because you couldn't find like in your life. Alright, please, you have to stay in your life.